Looking for a motorcycle that delivers power, adventure, comfort, and modern technology without breaking the bank? The CFLite 250 Dual is quickly becoming a favorite among riders who want a machine that can handle both city streets and weekend adventures. Here are 5 reasons why this motorcycle deserves your attention. 1. Strong and reliable 250cc engine. The heart of the CFLite 250 Dual is its capable 250cc engine. It offers a balanced mix of power and fuel efficiency, making it suitable for daily commuting and longer highway rides. The engine delivers smooth acceleration and enough performance to keep riding exciting without becoming intimidating for newer riders. 2. Dual-purpose capability. One of the biggest advantages of the CFLite 250 Dual is its versatility. Whether you're riding through busy urban traffic or exploring rough backroads, this motorcycle is designed to adapt. Its dual sport nature allows riders to enjoy both paved roads and light off-road adventures with confidence. 3. Comfortable riding position. Comfort plays a major role in every motorcycle purchase. The CFLite 250 Dual features an upright riding posture that reduces strain on the back, shoulders, and wrists. This makes longer rides more enjoyable and helps riders stay comfortable during daily use. 4. Modern design and features. The CFLite 250 Dual stands out with its aggressive styling and modern appearance. From its sharp bodywork to its contemporary lighting setup, the bike looks much more premium than many motorcycles in its class. Riders who want a motorcycle that looks as good as it performs will appreciate its design. 5. Great value for money. Many riders want maximum features without spending a fortune. The CFLite 250 Dual offers a strong package of performance, comfort, versatility, and style at a competitive price point. It gives riders access to adventure bike characteristics without the high cost often associated with larger motorcycles. This video is based on publicly available information, manufacturer specifications, and rider impressions available at the time of writing. Features, pricing, and availability may vary by region. Always verify details with an authorized dealer before making a purchase decision.